Hi, sir. I'm Chua Kijet. Student ID is 0412200029. Class is 4, PYT1. So for the mini project, for the Python programming, I will be choosing the live cryptocurrency pricing by using the Python. So for the introduction, so the purpose of this project was to design and program out the coding to get the live info of cryptocurrency, the price in the market by using the Python programming. So for what I've observed right now is a cryptocurrency is a growing as a trend, and many platforms has started to join the cryptocurrency market. So for using this programming, you can get the price is very convenient to the user. So it also can be specific out which one of the coin that you want to view, the user want to view. So the objective for this mini project is to get the live market price. So when you program out this one by using the Python, so it specific out the which crypto coin that you want to view, so it's very convenient. So easy to understand and modify. So later on, I will explain about the programming, and it's also very easy to modify if for the future, if want to change for the other cryptocurrency that want to view. So for the actually for the getting the live info of the cryptocurrency is actually need the API key. But then I found that got one of the website that no need the API key, which also need the API key, but then it's not fixed that each of them need to get the special API key. So this one, the program is can be transferred to others and it can be run fine. So for this one is also will be constantly update the market price for the user, and also got some feature that to kill the times. So we go to the methodology. So first of all, of course, we need to install the Python programming before we can do anything. So yeah, download and install the Python programming. So after done Python programming installation, so before run this program, we also need to install some of the extra module before we start to run this program. So the module we can install using the command prompt. So we try right now. So at the command prompt, so the first one is the git install request. So this one I already done. So the second one is the pip install API key. So this one I also install. The third one is the run facts. So the last one, so already been installed. So these two, the first two install request and the install the API key actually is to be able to run the crypto to get the cryptocurrency live market price. Then we need to install this one. For the install for the run facts is because I add on the extra feature like while running this program is actually also giving up some of the facts that it will improve some of the knowledge of us. So the last one, the fourth one is a joke. So while viewing on the market price of the cryptocurrency, I hope that this one also can bring some smile on your face. So okay, let's start right now. So first of all, we go to the website that have the giving the cryptocurrency one. This one is a CoinGecko. CoinGecko is which I found that actually free. Actually, many market inside the cryptocurrency also giving out the free API key, but then you need to subscribe to them. CoinGecko do not need you to subscribe to them, and they giving out the free API key. So we go to CoinGecko product, crypto API. So we using the free one. So we view the plan and we get stuck on the free one. So at here, we go to the simple price. So for this one, simple price. First of all, we go to the parameter here, we try it out so that we only can key in. If you didn't click on the try it out, you couldn't key in anything. So for the most common one, it's a Bitcoin, right? So the currency you can be pounds or other things, but then in Malaysia we use the Malaysia ringgit lah. So the other one you can leave it blank, it's okay. So we execute here. So after execute, you actually get some of the URL, the code here. So this one is a URL in order to get the current price of the Bitcoin using the Python, also using this one, the URL. So the header here, we are using the accept replicants of JSON. So right now we go to my coding. Okay. So I will explain about my coding. So first of all, is a import request. So this one, the module and the JSON is actually to able to get the info of the Bitcoin, the price of the Bitcoin, the coin like the cryptocurrency coin that you are one. So the date time SDT and this date time, because I'm using the two of the time that separately. So when I'm running the code, it has some error. So to prevent the error from occurring, so I separate out the date time, as DT one using the DT, one straight away use the date time. So this one import time, this one the time is used for the looping, the sleep function inside the Python to able to loop again, to rerun again the coding. So this one, the file joke, is a joke. So this one is a random fact, is that giving out the facts that might be increasing your knowledge. So I also import the random. The random here is what I purposely use this one is to let us know that some of the country are using the other country code. So actually from this one you can see that United States is using the US. Yes, we are very certain on that. But then you can see from here, this one, Algeria is using the DZ. So it's very uncommon to us. So from here, actually, it also can increase our knowledge inside the country name and the country code. Okay, we move on to the below one. So while true, this one is under the looping already. So before loop this one, we need to use this one while true. So this one is activate the sleep function inside the Python. So country random choice is that actually it will generate this one. It will randomly pick one of it to display. So this one is random fact, get fact. So actually this one is from the Python library also got. So I just import the module inside here. Then it will retrieve inside the Python. So this one is a date today. So this one is the today date. Okay, this one is a date. So this one is to get the today date. So only that I can print it out. Okay, today date. So that this coding can be printed out. So before that, I need to key in this one. So at here is the main function of this Python programming is to request get. So this one is the URL that just now been generated at here. So this one is the URL. So the header, this one will be the header of this one. Okay. So we go back to this one. So this one Bitcoin in Malaysia ringgit. I will be using the Malaysia ringgit. So what I've been writing down is not only Bitcoin, Ethereum and Tether also got inside. So this one is a price. This one is a label of in front before it coming out of the price of the Bitcoin, Ethereum and Tether. So it will be more convenient, more straightforward for the user to know that which one is been displaying. So this one is a joke. So the joke, you can choose a language of other language other than English. English is EN. So got Espanol, German like that. So Italian and so on. So the category can be all, can be neutral or twisted. So it's depend on your preference. So you can choose. So this one is the update of on how many loop been going on already. So the first one will be 1, then later on will be 2, 3, and so on. So this one will be the country code and the name will be displaying. The country 0 is referring to the country code, and the country 1 will be the country name. So the facts, this one it will be print the facts at here, inside here. So this one is a today date. So the date will be displaying inside the month, day, and years. So this one is also the label. Actually, how you going to output label out is from here. But then this one is actually the header only. So this one will be displaying this one. Okay. So this one is a time. The time, the hours, minute, and second will be displaying here. So if you didn't put this one label out as this one, it will also displaying the millisecond, which inside this programming also not needed. So I will put hour, minutes, and second as only. So this one is a joke. So my label for the joke is a relax of times, and this one is my joke. So the purpose of this one is clear out the boundary of two closed loop, because for looping later on, you can see that if don't have this boundary, then it will be more confusing. So this time slip is actually the slip function inside the Python, that this 5 inside the bracket is actually to depends on the user one. This one is for 5 seconds. So if you put 10, it will be 10 seconds only. It will rerun again. So if 15 will be 15 seconds. So I put 5 for this one for displaying, for stimulating. So I will run right now, run module. Okay. So this one is the first update. So you can see the time right here is 10, 5, and 53. So this one is 10, 5, and 58. So actually it's really is 5 seconds is ongoing. So this one is update 1. So this one is the first one. This one is second one. This one is third one. So you can see the country code and the country name actually is every time is different. It will be different all the times, and facts as well, even the joke. Okay. So right now, what I can see right here, the price of the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether is the same right now. So actually, it's not. You can see right here. So it's different already. Okay. So this one also can prove that this coding is really working, right? So yeah. So we go back. this one. And that's all for my mini project. Thank you.